Hi, I'm Krista Richmond.
And I'm Ruben Sanchez.
And this is Aria Reserve.
Aria Reserve is the last waterfront land reserve in Miami's urban core.
The developers have spent 10 years assembling a 5-acre parcel with 547 linear feet of direct water frontage over Biscayne Bay.
Aria Reserve will have 2 acres of amenities. The ground level amenities will include 2 waterfront pools, 2 waterfront whirlpools, a meditation garden, a restaurant, a dog park for those dog lovers, and our exclusive dock with paddleboards and kayaks to enjoy adventures on and around Biscayne Bay.
The rooftop of our parking structure serves as your very own country club in the sky, with amenities that include our 3rd pool at 25 meters in length, tennis, basketball, paddleball, fitness center, yoga room, spa, children's splash area, mini golf, and social rooms for all ages.
Every unit at Aria Reserve faces the water, with direct views of Biscayne Bay from your living room and primary bedroom.
Our kitchens are finished with Thermador and Bosch appliances, white quartz countertops, and white Italian cabinetry.
No matter the location of your residence, you will forever have endless, unobstructed views of the beautiful Biscayne Bay.
So come in for a presentation.
And welcome to Aria Reserve.